Why are you so unhappy? Honey, why are you so sad? You don't love me, just mine. But Russell, I don't understand. I love you very much. No, you don't. You're in love with my cousin, Justin. No, my other cousin, Duncan. Don't be funny. He's much too young. I'm talking about his brother. You mean Hunter? That's not. And Hunter loves you, too. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. Russell, just one last month I had lunch with Hunter. There's another fight to be jealous about. Do you think he's fun to be with? And I'm just dark. But honey, I like your company much better than Hunter's. I think you're wonderful. You do.